to use Thrifty online check-in before pickup. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As it's written, you can save money by adding your check-in before pickup. How you can do is go from the plane straight to your car. No need to sign up or download anything. Then select exact make and model on your phone. You can download the Thrifty car rental app. There, you simply add your pickup time, which is right now, and after you keep that, your check-in before pickup will be submitted and they will send you an email or a message in your app and you're good to go. This is how to use Thrifty online check-in before pickup. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.